call upon the recipients of Well-Tech Mahatma Gandhi Education Times Merit Coming Scholarship. May I now request Mr. Nenand to give away these scholarships, please. Mr. Jennipalli John Paul, 45,500. Mr. Sati Suresh Reddy, 45,500. Ms. Ziba Khan Rafi, 45,500. Ms. Divya, 41,000. Ms. Shweta Varshini, 45,500. Ms. Sankyal Vasundara, 45,500.
Next, we talk about one of the eminent personalities over here. He is a very famous economist, and after completing his bachelor's degree in economics from Union Christian College, Alway, he pursued his postgraduate diploma in social sciences from the Rajgiri Institute of Social Science, followed by MA Social Work from Madras School of Social Work. After a year's stint in the Bajaj Institute of Management, he went on to complete his MBA at the Alaska Pacific University in the USA. He has over 27 years of experience in the Times Group. Currently, he is the Assistant Vice President and Response Head. Widely traveled, he has represented Times Group at various prestigious forums across India and abroad. He is also a visiting faculty at LIBA, Symbiosis, and Rajgiri School of Management and Mudra Institute of Communication. Also, he is a member of the Executive Committee, Ad Club, Chennai. May I now request Shri Nainan Tarian, Assistant Vice President and Response Head of Bennett Coleman and Company, to come and address the gathering.
Honorable Minister, Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, Mr. Ram, Mr. Kishore, Mr. Srinivas, Dr. Srinivas, Mrs. Maheshwari, Registrar, dignitaries, faculties and students. First of all, let me admit that I'm very happy to be here with the brilliant students and the academic community at Well-Tech. I want to share two anecdotes with here. I thought it's quite relevant in the context of giving away scholarships to the brilliant students. A school teacher scolded a boy for not paying attention to his mathematics and not for being able to solve simple problems. She told him that he would not become anybody in life. His mother, however, believed in him and coached him in math. The boy went on to become Albert Einstein. A small boy, the fifth amongst 7 siblings of a poor father, was selling newspapers in a small village to earn his living. He was not exceptionally smart at school, but was fascinated by religion and rockets. The first rocket he built crashed. A missile he built crashed multiple times, and he was made a butt of ridicule. He is the person to have scripted the Space Odyssey of India single-handedly. He is none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In 1962, 4 young musicians played their first record audition for the executives of Decca Recording Company. The executives were not impressed. While turning down this group of musicians, one executive said, "We don't like their sound. Groups of guitars are on their way out." The group was Beatles. Some dropouts bloom to geniuses, others drop out and merely fade into oblivion. Recently, in the Times of India, we had carried a report about a 19-year-old architecture student who committed suicide because she couldn't afford to fund her education. Fatima, her name, and she is not alone. In India, there are many like her who are forced to kill their academic aspirations owing to paucity of funds or pressing family concerns. It is against this backdrop that Well-Tech decided to launch the Well-Tech Mahatma Gandhi National Merit Scholarship nationally this year. When Dr. Mahalakshmi from Weltec approached us at the Times of India, asking us to support this venture, we didn't even think twice. And I can proudly say that the partnership has proved to be a great success. It's interesting and truly heartening to note that this scholarship is being doled out at a pan-Indian level with no discrimination whatsoever of caste, creed or religion. I think in the world we live in, empowering young minds to pursue their dreams and careers is the need of the hour. That is a step, this is that step in that direction. We at the Times of India are always happy to partner ventures with a vision. In the world we live in, nothing comes cheap and education is expensive. This scholarship attempts to reach out and alter the lives of many students who have the talent but don't have the financial strength to support their education. I wish Weltec, the faculty and the students all the very best in all their endeavors. Thank you very much.